And hello everybody, welcome to another quick Rotaville update. Today we have two things to show to you. We have an update on the glitchiness of the website and also a mobile update. We've got the mobile phone just here. I can't do that. Just here to demo to you. But first of all, let's go over and have a look at a feature or a suggestion that Steve posted on the rotaville.canny.io features and update board. He mentioned the problem of the twitchiness sometimes when you're editing a shift or an employee profile and you accidentally click outside the dialog closes and you lose all your edits basically if you click the wrong thing. And his suggestion was to remove the twitchiness. I like that, the twitchiness, and it's an easy fix. So we've gone ahead and done that. Let's have a look at how that now works. I'm logged in here as into Vanessa's account, and there's a shift here. And if we're editing the shift, the way things used to work is that if you clicked in this shaded area outside the edit dialog, it would close the dialog for you and you would lose your edits. So let's say you were doing something like get stuff done and you've done some edits, and then if you accidentally clicked here, the dialog will close. It no longer does that. So you no longer lose your edits. And you can go ahead, make your changes and go down and update the shift. And the same happens if you're editing an employee. For instance, this employee, let's put in an employee ID. And again, if we click outside here, it doesn't close anymore. The twitchiness is gone. In fact, a little message pops up above me here, and you can see it says, you now need to click close. If I do want to close this and not update the employee, I've decided I don't want to do it. You now have to click here on the close button, or there's a cancel edit button down here, or you can actually just press the escape button on your keyboard and it will close the dialog for you. The same with adding a new employee or adding a new shift. You can click the escape button and that will close the dialog for you. So that's the twitchiness from some of these edit forms. It's gone now, and you're less likely to lose your your edits that you've been working on. So thanks, Steve, for that suggestion. We have marked that as complete. And that's now the second thing, and that second suggestion that's come from a user that we've fixed up recently. So yeah, please do head on over to rotaville.canny.io, click on features and updates, and then go in and you can read all the suggestions there. You can vote on them, you can comment on them, or if you've got your own idea, go here, create a post and add your own idea suggestion as to what needs to be improved on Rotaville. So that's our first update for today. The second thing we wanted to show you was here on the Rotaville mobile app. Now today I've got the mobile app running here, but it's also on the screen. So if I open up Rotaville, there it is, it pops up open, and you can see it's here on my screen. Unfortunately on the screen you're not seeing my where I'm touching, but I'll just tell you. So there's a new mobile update. Please install the updates. If you click on the information button here on Rotaville, it tells you that the Rotaville app version down here is you're not seeing that, but down here on the phone, or just here, it says that the Rotaville app version is 62.1.5, and that's the version, that's the latest version. So if you're not seeing that, you need to run your app updates. And we've done some improvements, some fixes, and this version is running really sweet and fine. But there's two things that are new in this update. If you click on the menu tab at the very top of the screen, just up here. Yep, just up there, menu. I'll do that here now. And it opens up the menu. And there's a new option here, feedback and review. And if I click on feedback and review, there's two options available for you. So if you have some feedback about the app, it's not working well, you're not entirely satisfied with the way it's working, maybe even you found a bug, sometimes happens, please let us know. And a quick and easy way to do that from the mobile app now is to click on Open Feedback Email. And what that will do is it'll open up your email program with a pre-filled out email where you can just type in here, you know, whatever feedback you want to share with us, and click send, and we get that email straight away. And included in the email for us down here is just some technical information about what version of the app you're using. We can see here it says app version 62.1.5, so I know what version of the app you're using. What type of phone, iPhone, what version of the iOS, version 16.6 of iOS. Just some technical information to help us identify what the problem could be. So that's feedback email. And if you have any problems or feedback on the mobile app, then please use that option. Please use that option from the menu, feedback and review, and then open feedback email. Now there's another option on this feedback screen, and that is review. Now it might be that you're not having any problems at all and you just love the Rotaville app and you think it's worthy of 5 stars. If so, we'd really love a review. And now it's even easier for you to give an App Store review. You just click on Open App Review, either on your iPhone or your Android phone, and it will open up the Play Store or the App Store. And you can type in a review or just give us a star rating. And every positive rating really helps improve our downloads and discovery of Rotaville, and helps us develop better software. So if you click on Open App Review, if you have a few minutes, it'll take you straight into the App Store. It'll take you straight into a review screen. You can give a number of stars across the top. Just tick on the 5th one. 5 stars is good. And if you want to put in a longer review about how Rotaville works for you and your business, that would be great. So yeah, they're the two updates today for today's update. Some of the glitchiness is gone, and there is a new update to the Rotaville app, which includes the feedback options. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. We've been live on Facebook. Follow us there. We've been live on YouTube. Follow us there. We've been live on X, on Twitter. Follow us there. Give us a like or comment on these videos. That would be great. And see you next time. Thanks.